Hello guys and welcome back to a new episode of Minecraft. Okay, today I want to make a new world because in the last world I died and I don't like to die in the second episode of Minecraft. And now let's make a new world. The English zombie. Let's try that. And bonus chest online. Let's create. Okay, let's take the bonus chest and go in the woods. We don't need too much wood. Let's take the chest and the torches. Okay, let's go in this way. I think this way is lucky. I think we need some meat, some pig, some cow. A bunny? Holy shit. This is a big bunny. And this is when they... Wow. What the fuck? Okay, my videos will not no, it doesn't matter too much. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because my videos so swag. Oh shit. I can't climb. Ah, there you are. Let's see what's here. This is a little mine. It's a shitty mine, I don't know. And we're back in the woods again and again. Let's make a crafting table. And take this coal. Just 2 coals. Oh man, I want more. Ah, that frame rate. Holy shit. What? There are. Let's climb and take this coal. It's much coal. Please, please. Please. So much coal now. And I got a wood pickaxe. And now I have the 30 frame rates. In this moment I got 30 frame rates. and I'm recording. I don't think it's good, but my computer is a shitty computer. Back off, bunny. Yeah. I'm the bunny now. Come here, you. Sheep. Let's kill the sheep. And that's sheep. That's a sheep. And we have 2 sheep, but not 3. We need 1 sheep for the bed to sleep when mobs are. What are you looking at? This? No. Ooh, sheep. 16 frame rate. Now I got 14. Now 13 again. Now 20. Like that, and that was the second episode of Minecraft 1.18, and like, subscribe and share. If you wanna more Minecraft videos, like for the sun, like for the target, like for the coal, like for the iron. Peace.